Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Kristen with Slick Marketers. For the last 25 years, we have been helping small businesses grow, with the majority of it laser focused in the beauty space. So we've been helping solo injectors to multi-location med spas. We know what works and what's just noise. So if you're ready for smart, strategic marketing that actually drives results, you're in the right place.
And no, Instagram isn't dead, you're just using it wrong.
Especially if you're running a med spa and your feed is only before and afters and product photos.
Let's fix that.
So what content actually converts? Let's talk about it. You don't need to do dance videos or chase trends, although we do love us a good dance video. What you actually need is strategy. The best performing med spa content does two things.
It educates and transforms.
Educational content builds trust. Things like why Botox isn't just for wrinkles, or what to expect from your first Morpheus 8 session, or even best treatments for skin laxity for people 40 plus.
Pair that with transformational stories, not just photos, but the journey, who this treatment is for, and how did it change their life.
Right, you really want your content to resonate with your target audience, and so that people can imagine themselves in your office getting these treatments. So let's talk about using Instagram's features the right way. Your feed builds credibility, but your stories, reels, and highlights, that's where the sales actually happen.
Right, because you want to use Instagram stories to show behind the scenes. You want to show the team who you are as a team, who you are as a doctor, as a nurse. You want to share your client wins, do live Q&As, poll your audience, be involved, and interact with your target audience.
You want to use Reels to teach something valuable in about 30 seconds. Show procedure walkthroughs, answer FAQs, debunk myths. That's a huge content win.
Right, and don't forget to add these stories to highlights. Think of treatments, new clients, before and after, FAQs, memberships, events. These are great ways to showcase and team. This is a great way to show your brand, your local brand, who you guys are and how you guys serve your clients in the local market.
Really often, Instagram is a client's first impression of you. They'll come across your social media and then they'll head to your website to learn more about you. So it's an important first impression.
Absolutely. These highlights act as a mini website inside your Instagram page.
So next, let's talk about captions that drive bookings, not just likes. You have to stop writing like a blogger. Nobody has that attention span to read a mile-long caption. You need to start writing like a business.
Right, you want a good caption that does three things. Number one, you want to grab attention with a clear hook. Number two, explain the value or the benefit of the service. And number three, you want to tell exactly what to do next, such as, that's your CTA, your call to action, such as DM us, book now, click the link to learn more.
You want to make sure that you're specific. You want to say things such as book your consultation today by sending us a DM, or click the link in bio to book your appointment today. Or even something like ready to smooth out your frown lines before the wedding next month. That is actually what converts.
So let's talk about time-saving content systems. We get it, you're busy running a business, you're making sure all your clients are booked, they're well taken care of, and you don't have time to be on Instagram all day.
Right, so this is where content batching and templates come in. You can film a lot of content on one day. It's all about planning it out, having a plan, what types of videos that you want to capture, so that it's not as overwhelming, and when you start filming in batches, you get more and more comfortable on the screen. You're able to move from one topic to the other more easily, and that's actually a recipe that we use here at Slick Marketers for all of our content.
Right, so we definitely have a content day, and it's really fun.
Yes. And as I mentioned, using templates, this not only builds your brand, you want to have a cohesive look to your Instagram. So if you have a template that you use for before and afters, educational tips, treatment spotlights, testimonials, and promotions or events, people know just by a glance that this is from your med spa, that it's going to be a before and after, and they'll start connecting to you and your business.
Right. And you know, just because you use it once, it doesn't mean it's done, it's dead. You can repurpose it. So one reel can become a story, a caption, a carousel, and email, newsletters. You got to be able to repurpose it everywhere so that it makes sense, it resonates.
Right. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Right? So, in closing, Instagram is not dead.
But your strategy might be, so
if you're ready to actually turn followers into bookings,
head to slickmarketers.com and let us, as the beauty industry marketing experts, build you a content system that works. Let's grow your med spa on Instagram and beyond.
Okay.